What we normally do is we get 2x4s and drywall screws and skill saws, and we start making things. We wanted a better solution that is infinitely scalable in many different situations.
MTE 2025, we've got Matt Boyette from Dent Tools, and he's going to show his hive setup.
So check it out, guys. This is what we brought this year. Excuse my voice. It's gone from yesterday talking so much. But this is the Black Hive. This is how it comes. I don't want you to think of it as a window hanger. I want you to think of it as a solution for gaining leverage. All these come apart, and it's infinitely scalable. So you can configure it in whatever way, and you can get very creative with how you want to set it up. So here's one, and these are just from Milwaukee Tools, some vice grips, and you can bolt this or clamp this down to like a Mustang roof where you don't have the ability to hang a hanger like this. You can bolt it to the pinch weld, and you can go ahead and repair the roof. Or if you're doing a pickup truck, so you're taking the back glass out, and you can put this on the pinch weld and leverage. All the good hail bars fit through here. The Carbon Tech, I think it's the biggest one. We just tested it, it fits through here. So if you're doing hail, you can use it as a hanger. If you're doing big damage, you can bolt it in different areas like this, a tail light pocket or a big headlight pocket where there's too much access and you're trying to create leverage. That's what you can do with this. Also, it integrates with 80/20 really well. So there's just a scrap piece of 80/20 and it clamps down, so you can do a lot with it, right? Here's a hanger I made just with 2 pieces and a piece of 80/20. And you can build off of this. They make lots of little attachments that you can run through here, so you can build this system off of here. So it's very modular. Again, like I said, it's a solution for gaining leverage. If we're doing these really big smash repairs, if you watch setups like Bryce Kelly's where he's taking an hour or 2 hours to set up a dent before he even starts pushing this thing. What we normally do is we get 2x4s and drywall screws and skill saws, and we start making things. We wanted a better solution that is infinitely scalable in many different situations. So this is how it comes with the 5 pieces, and it goes for $329.
Yeah. All right. Well, excellent. We appreciate you, Matt.
Of course. Thank you guys.
Yes, sir. Yep.